Hi guys, welcome to our JWell factory and headquarters in Changzhou. Although JWell was founded in 1997, we have been in the screw and barrel field since 1978. In 2013, the JWell Changzhou factory was founded for prompt after-sales response to our customers from central China. Our best-selling products are our PP melt-blown fabric line. For more information, go to our website, www.polynk.com. Hi there, thanks for joining us again. So today we will give an overview of the structure of the extruder screw. The machine we are making is a vertical spray type. It has a steel platform with the melt-blown extruder positioned horizontally. The height of the platform can be adjusted, which allows the central height of the extruder to be very low. The temperature of the melt-blown raw material is high, therefore barrels have a heat insulation cover that enables heat preservation, energy saving, and also stable heating. You can see the shape of our extruder in the picture. The screw in this extruder is specially designed for PP high MFR material. It has 3 parts and the barrel head because PP material is easy to plasticize. The barrel head plays a role of increasing plasticization, which improves its conveying efficiency. The LD of the screw is normally 30 to 1, and normal compression ratio is 3 to 1. Next is the screen changer, which is also named melt filter. It has 2 types, plate type double station screen changer and double plunger screen changer. It mainly filters impurities. It can also increase pressure and improve the plasticization effect. These screen changers have different advantages. The double plunger screen changer has better sealing performance with double runners due to the fact that the 2 mesh can work at the same time. It facilitates an uninterrupted melt stream with the ability to replace one mesh whilst the other is still working. The replacement of a plate-type double station screen changer is very rapid and only lasts a couple of seconds. The filter screen can be changed within a short period. The change of material flowing is minor. There's no leakage, it has high pressure resistance, and the filtering area is large because of its large diameter of filtering holes. Under normal circumstances, if its working temperature is around 300 degrees Celsius, it will not affect its performance, and it can also achieve the effect of rapid filter screen change without any downtime. That's all for this video. Thanks for joining us. If you want to find out more about how our melting pump works and what the components of the heating device are, don't forget to check out our next video. Thank you.